Hi friends, welcome to my channel WebGrade. How are you? I hope all are good and I am also fine. Today we will start our second class in HTML. In this we will discuss about an example like how to place an heading and paragraphs in the result. So let us start our class. Firstly, to start our class, we have to double click on notepad++ and giving here, then it opened a web page. In this I am creating one new file. Here the file name as html2 and the type is changed as hypertext markup language. After changing the type, we have to place here .html to indicate that it is an HTML program. We should have to place .html, the file name, and I am saving this file in the desktop. Here desktop and saved. Firstly, I will write the first heading, first line of HTML. The first line of HTML is exclamatory mark, caps lock on, doc, type, space, small letters, HTML in small letters, and the second line is HTML open tag and then HTML close tag. In the middle we will write body open tag and then body close tag. After that we have to write the content which we want to see as result in the browser. We have to write all those things in the middle of body open tag and then body close tag. Let us see an example like heading. We want to see an heading. For that purpose we have to take a h1 open tag and then h1 close tag. I am writing here as this is my first heading. Now I want to see the output. To see the output, firstly we have to save this program by going here, clicking file and then save. This program is saved. How to identify that this program is saved or not? For that purpose we have to see here. Firstly it will present here star, so it will shows that it is not saved. After saving, that star button will be removed. In the next video I will show you the saving or not saved button. Now I saved this. I am going the program here in the desktop, here HTML2. I am double clicking this HTML2. Now you can see the output in the browser. I am opening here in the Opera. You can open it anywhere. See here, you can see that this is my first heading. After that I will show you some more examples like headings will be different for different paragraphs and for different matters. Here we can give from h1 to h6 we can use the headings. Here h2 open tag and then h2 close tag. The same content is I am copying so that not wasting our time. Copy and then I am pasting here. After that I am taking h3 open tag and then h3 close tag. In the middle I am pasting that matter. After that h4 open tag and then h4 close tag. I am placing the content. After that h5 open tag and then h5 close tag. In the middle I am placing the pasted one. After that H6 open tag and then H6 close tag. I pasted the content. Here these are different types of headings. Here you can observe the sizes of headings. Here you can see that star is present. That means this program is not saved yet. So I am saving by using Ctrl S. Here you can see that the star is gone. That means this program is saved. Now I am opening it in the browser. Browsing. Here you can see different types of headings. The first H1 will shows bold letters and then H6 shows least letter. So the size is very small. That is our headings. And then paragraphs. To show the paragraph we should have to use P open tag and then P close tag. In the middle I will place some content. There is no much content in my, so I am taking it from the browser, like example environment. Here I am clicking Wikipedia. The internet is slow, so that's why it is browsing. Wait for a way. Here I am taking the content of first paragraph, copied that paragraph and then it is removed and I am pasting it in the between of P open tag and then P close tag. Now I am saving this program by using Ctrl S and then browsing here. See, you can see the content of that paragraph in the browser. Here we can show the differences like breaking the line. How to break the line means we have to give break open tag. Break open tag is necessary, no need of any close tag. Now I am saving this program. I am showing that in browser by reloading here. Here you can see that I have given here break, so it breaken the line of the paragraph. After that we will see some how to create a horizontal line. For that purpose I am giving H1 as open tag and then H1 HR horizontal. Only open tag is necessary, no need of any close tag. Now I am saving this program and then I am reloading in Opera. Here you can see one horizontal line was given, and after that we will see some more examples in the next class. So thank you for watching my video in my channel WebGrade. Thank you viewers. Please subscribe my channel.